So maintaining brain health is part of a lifelong journey. And again, that's why I'm so happy you're all here today, because that lifelong journey can be affected in so many ways and can really determine your outcome, can really determine not only how long you live, but the quality of your life. And as practitioners, I know many of you are practitioners out there, this is where you come in and can play a huge role. So think about it. When we're young, we think about, or we're not thinking about it, but our parents are thinking about how many words do they have? You know, as a parent, you bring your child to the doctor at 15 months. It's how many words are they saying? Are they making eye contact? Then we think about brain health. Think about it maybe when you're a teenager, you're worried about focusing in school, or maybe you're experiencing anxiety for the first time, or you have a friend that's depressed. And then as we get older, we might think about baby brain. I know after I had a baby, many clients and friends, we used to joke about our brains being, taken out with the baby because we were a little fuzzy after having a baby. And then we talk about menopause and brain health, right? And then we talk about, those senior moments. We joke about it. And then we talk about it in more serious ways too, preventing Alzheimer's disease and dementia. So brain health is something that we talk about from the day we're born until the day we die.